Hey everyone! Welcome back to English Flow Podcast that helps you learn real English for real life. I'm Ryan.
And I'm Emma. And today we're talking about something that everyone has to do sooner or later. Visiting the doctor.
Yeah. Nobody really likes going to the doctor, but it's super important. And it's also one of those situations where you really need to know how to communicate clearly in English.
Exactly. Whether it's a fever, a sore throat, or a stomach ache, you need the right words to explain how you feel.
So in today's episode, you'll learn how to describe your symptoms, talk about feeling sick, ask for medical help, and understand what the doctor says.
And of course, we'll have a fun dialogue, vocabulary, and some real-life expressions you can actually use next time you visit a clinic.
All right, let's start with the vocabulary preview. Vocabulary preview.
Okay, repeat after us. We'll say each word slowly, then give an example. First one, symptom. That's something that shows you're sick, like a fever or a cough. Example, one of the symptoms of the flu is a sore throat.
Next, appointment. That means the time you plan to see the doctor. Example, I have an appointment with the doctor at 3 p.m. Good one. Next, prescription. That's a note the doctor gives you to buy medicine from a pharmacy. Example, the doctor gave me a prescription for antibiotics.
Here's a common one, sore. It means painful. Example, my throat is sore.
Next up, ache. You can use it after body parts. Headache, stomach ache, toothache. Example, I have a bad headache today.
And one more, checkup. That means a regular visit to the doctor when you're not sick, just to make sure everything's okay. Example, I go for a checkup once a year.
Nice! Okay, now that we know the key words, let's move to the dialogue.
Dialogue. Emma, doctor. Ryan, patient. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, doctor. Not so great, actually. I've been feeling a bit sick lately.
I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
Well, I've had a sore throat for the past 3 days, and I also have a bit of a fever.
Okay. Any other symptoms?
Yeah, I've been coughing a lot and I feel really tired all the time.
I see. Have you taken any medicine so far?
Just some painkillers and cough syrup, but they don't seem to help much.
All right, let's check your temperature. It's a bit high, 38.5 degrees Celsius. You probably have a mild infection.
Oh, that makes sense. I really haven't been sleeping well either.
I'll give you a prescription for some antibiotics and medicine for the fever. Also, make sure to drink lots of water and rest.
Got it. Do I need to take a few days off work?
Yes, I'd recommend resting for at least 2 or 3 days.
All right. Thanks, doctor.
No problem. Get well soon.
Dialogue. Slow speed plus explanation. Emma, doctor.
Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, doctor. Not so great, actually.
What seems to be the problem?
I've had a sore throat for the past 3 days.
Any other symptoms?
I've been coughing a lot, and I feel really tired.
Let's check your temperature. It's a bit high, 38.5 degrees Celsius.
Do I need to take a few days off work?
Yes, I'd recommend resting. Language takeaway. Okay, let's go over some useful phrases from that conversation.
Phrase 1. I've been feeling a bit sick lately. We use I've been feeling to describe something that started in the past and continues now.
Right? You can also say, I've been feeling tired lately. I've been feeling dizzy since yesterday.
Phrase 2. What seems to be the problem? That's the polite question doctors use. You could also say, what's the matter? Or, how can I help you today?
Phrase 3. Any other symptoms? This is very short and natural. In daily life, people also say, anything else?
Phrase 4. I'll give you a prescription. This means the doctor will write you a note for the medicine you need to buy.
Phrase 5. Get well soon? That's the common way to wish someone to recover.
So next time your friend is sick, you can say, hope you feel better, or get well soon. Fluency Builder.
All right, now let's make those sentences sound more natural, like real conversation. Instead of saying, I have a sore throat, you can say, my throat's killing me. My throat really hurts. Good one. And instead of I feel tired, you can say, I'm exhausted. I'm worn out.
Right. And if you want to sound polite when you talk to the doctor, you can say, I've been feeling under the weather. That means a little sick. Very common phrase.
Yes, that one's great. And when the doctor gives you advice, they often say things like, take it easy, meaning don't work too hard. Get some rest. Make sure you drink plenty of fluids.
And if you want to thank your doctor, you can say, thanks for your help, doctor. I really appreciate it.
Small expressions like these make you sound natural and polite at the same time. Culture chat.
Okay, let's talk about visiting doctors in English-speaking countries.
Yeah, in many places like the US, UK, or Canada, you usually need to make an appointment before seeing the doctor, unless it's an emergency.
Right. You can say, I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Smith. Do you have any openings this week?
And when you arrive, the receptionist might ask for your name and insurance information.
If you don't have insurance, you can still visit, but you'll have to pay directly.
Also, doctors usually speak calmly and professionally. They may use simple phrases like, let's take a look, open your mouth, please, or breathe deeply.
Exactly. And when they're done, they might say, I'll write you a prescription, or you should rest for a few days.
It's also polite to say, thank you, doctor, before you leave.
Yes, even if you feel terrible, a little kindness goes a long way.
Pronunciation practice. Let's practice how these words sound in fast, natural speech. Repeat after me. I've been feeling a bit sick lately. What have you been feeling lately? Nice. And now, what seems to be the problem? In fast speech, that becomes, what seems to be the problem?
Here's another. Do I need to take a few days off? Notice how we connect the sounds. It makes you sound fluent and natural. But remember, clarity first, speed later.
Practice time. Role play. Let's do a short practice. I'll be the doctor and you can repeat Ryan's part. Hello, how are you today?
Not so great, doctor. I've been coughing a lot.
How long have you had this cough?
For about a week. I also have a sore throat.
Okay, you probably have a cold. Drink lots of water and rest.
Thank you, doctor. Quick tip. Here's a tip. When you describe symptoms, start with how long it's been happening. Like, I've had this cough for 3 days. It sounds natural and helps the doctor understand better.
Right. And if you don't know the English word, use simple ones like pain, hurt, ache, or just point and say, "It hurts here." Wrap up. All right, everyone, that's all for today's episode, Visiting the Doctor.
We learned how to talk about feeling sick, describe symptoms, and understand what the doctor says.
Now you can feel more confident next time you visit a doctor in an English-speaking country.
And remember, practice these phrases out loud so they become natural for you.
Thanks for joining us.
And don't forget to subscribe English Flow for more real-life English lessons.
Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.